If you're experiencing receding gums and looking for natural remedies to improve your oral health, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 3 simple yet powerful techniques that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine by practicing proper oral hygiene. Let's dive into these 3 steps. Step 1. Maintain excellent oral hygiene. Proper oral hygiene is the cornerstone of a healthy mouth. Brush your teeth at least twice a day using a soft bristle toothbrush and a fluoride toothpaste. Pay extra attention to your gum line, gently brushing in circular motions to remove plaque and debris. Remember to replace your toothbrush regularly to maintain its effectiveness. Additionally, floss daily to remove trapped food particles and bacteria from between your teeth and along the gum line. By maintaining excellent oral hygiene. Step 2. Rinse with a homemade mouthwash. A homemade mouthwash can provide additional benefits for your gums and teeth. Prepare a simple and effective mouthwash by mixing warm water with a teaspoon of salt. Stir the solution until the salt dissolves completely. Take a sip, swish it around your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds, and then spit it out. Saltwater mouth rinses have antibacterial properties, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Incorporate this rinse into your oral care routine once or twice a day for best results. Step 3. Try oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice known for its oral health benefits. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil or sesame oil and swish it around your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to pull the oil through your teeth and around your gums. As you swish, the oil will mix with saliva and bacteria, trapping toxins and harmful substances. After the designated time, spit out the oil into a trash can, avoid spitting it in the sink, as it can clog the drain, and rinse your mouth with warm water. Oil pulling helps reduce bacteria, inflammation, and plaque, promoting healthier gums and improved oral hygiene. Conclusion. By incorporating these 3 simple steps into your daily routine, maintaining excellent oral hygiene, rinsing with a homemade mouthwash, and trying oil pulling, you can effectively address receding gums and improve your overall oral health. However, it's important to remember that these remedies may not work for everyone, and severe gum recession should be evaluated by a dental professional. Take care of your gums, and enjoy the benefits of a healthier and more confident smile. If you like this remedy, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.